Hi viewers, today our topic is what is cryptocurrency. Usually cryptocurrency sometimes called cryptocurrency or crypto is any form of currency that exists digitally or virtually and use cryptography to secure transactions. Cryptocurrencies don't have a central issuing or regular authority, instead, using a decentralized system to record transactions and issue new units. Basically, viewers, a virtual currency is a digital representations. If we will talk about the virtual currency and the cryptocurrency, so virtual currency is a digital representation of the value only available in electronic form. It is stored and transacted through design software, mobile or the computer applicants. Transaction involving virtual currencies occur through secure dedicated networks or over the internet. Basically, viewers, there are four major types of the cryptocurrency. Crypto can be classified into four different categories like DeFi, NFT, utility tokens, store of value tokens like bitcoins and litecoins, and yield farming tokens like Eve says Sindamarth Sogani, CEO of Sri Bako, a crypto research firm. And the other thing is that if we will talk about what is the best cryptocurrency to invest in 2022, one is Bitcoin. If we will talk about the in 2022, Bitcoin is the best cryptocurrency to invest. And the second one is Solana, SOL. Other thing is you can also Polygon, you can also invest to them. And last one is you can say that the Yon.finance, YFI. This one is also the top currencies to invest right now in 2022. And the other thing is that if we will talk about the what is the cheapest cryptocurrency to buy, if we will talk about what is the cheapest cryptocurrency, basically the Dogecoin cryptocurrency, which is value is 0.2223 dollar. Doji, the coin that has risen to performance earlier this year thanks to Elon Musk, is the cheapest cryptocurrency to purchase in 2022. Another thing, viewers, if we will talk about little bit more, what is the next big cryptocurrency? So big cryptocurrency, the next, I'm sure the best next cryptocurrency to consider buying in 2022 is the pancake swap. Pancake swap. In its most basic form, pancake swap is a decentralized exchange that was launched in late 2022. The exchange allows users to buy and sell digital tokens without going to through a third party. Viewers, you see many things about the big currency in our environment, and if we will talk about is cryptocurrency is a good investment, if anybody will ask to me that cryptocurrency will be the good for us, so I will be the answer that cryptocurrency may be a good investment. But viewers, if you are willing to accept, it is a high risk gamble which could pay off. But also that, viewers, there is a strong chance to you could lose all of your money. It is important before investing in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies that you go in with your eyes open. So another thing is that how do you cash out a Bitcoin? So there are four important points which I would like to share with my viewers, that how to cash out Bitcoin using a broker exchange. Basically, number one, decide which third party broker exchange you want to use. Viewers, second point is that sign up and complete the brokerage verification process. This is also very, very important. Otherwise, 100% you will lose your money. Viewers, number third, deposit or buy Bitcoin into your account. From your account, you have to deposit Bitcoin from your account. Number fourth, cash out your Bitcoin by depositing it into your bank account or PayPal account, like that. So these 4 points you have to keep in your mind, that how to cash out Bitcoin using a broker exchange. You must keep in all these points. So if anybody will ask to me that cryptocurrency is the safe, so my answer will be, for all the viewers, investing in crypto assets is risky but also a potentially extremely profitable. Cryptocurrency is the good investment if you want to gain direct exposure to the demand for digital currency, while a safer but potentially less lucrative alternative is to buy the stocks of companies which expire to cryptocurrency. Viewers, same thing is that who created the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency like that? So the thing is that there is many arguments about this question, but before to explain this one, I would like to explain that why is cryptocurrency is better than the banks? Because usually we are working on the banks, all dealings, all account open, everything we are doing with the banks. So why is crypto is better than the banks? Actually, cryptocurrencies are completely free of the control of the third parties. Unlike banks, this decentralized nature minimizes human interactions, which makes them free from bases. They are more secure and reliable since it is hard to tamper with them because they use anonymous ID numbers in a transactions. Dear viewers, I already explained to you that cryptocurrency let you buy the goods and the services, or you can trade them for a profit. Here are more about what cryptocurrency is, how to buy it, and how to protect by yourself. Actually, the cryptocurrency are the digital assets created using the computer networking software that enables secure trading and ownership. Whereas Bitcoin and the most other cryptocurrencies are supported by the technology known as the blockchain, which maintains a temper. And I already explained to you Bitcurrency that you can easily buying cryptocurrencies involving the four steps. Decide whether to buy it, where to buy it, close, choose how to shall pay, add value to your account, select a cryptocurrency. And number third, best cryptocurrencies by the market capitalizations. More than 17,500 different cryptocurrencies are traded publicly according to the coinmarketcap.com, a market research website, and cryptocurrencies continue to profitable. The total value of all the cryptocurrencies on the Feb 18 2022 was about 1.88 trillion, having fallen substantially from all the time, having above $2.9 trillion. Another thing we have to keep in mind, that keeping cryptocurrency safe, this question I already explained to you, and cryptocurrency investing guidelines, this one I already explained to you, that how you will You may want to look first to share up your retirement savings, pay off debt, or invest in the less volatile funds, may up to stocks and bonds, etc. I already explained all these things that regarding the cryptocurrencies. So viewers, this is the cryptocurrency is the next era of the money. So I already explained that how it is better than the banks. Hope this video will be very informative for you regarding the cryptocurrency. Either you have to choose bank, either you have to choose cryptocurrencies. It's depend upon you, but the next era will be the cryptocurrency. Thank you so much. Hope this video will be very beneficial for you. Thank you so much.